Okay, so today we're going to the evaluation. I will ask from the Sanskrit. Please explain this, the Sanskrit for this week.
And for this week, still same with unit 3, at the, at the, at the, and at the. Okay, from at the we have rat, 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 pat, and for at the we have pack, leg, egg, bag, bake, and then for
Bake,
big, big,
bag, bagging, bag.
yes, baby. Then for and we have hand, tan, hand, tan, someone skip it, forget it. And then for at we have pat, pat and pat.
Okay, so what do you do for Monday?
Still same as with to do the exercise. Yes, please.
About?
But still same with the unit 3. For Sanskrit or
Yes, still sounds great.
yes.
So for Sanskrit on Monday, doing exercise like what? Like matching maybe or how?
Circle.
Circle.
Yes, miss.
Circle what?
Circle based on the picture and the words too.
For example?
For example, like if the word is wet and letter they can choose which one is wet. Like that, A, B, or C. Like that. There are 3 pictures, so that's
There are 3 pictures.
yes.
They will choose.
Yes, miss, they will choose.
So they will circle based on the sound. No.
Yes, based on the words.
Based on the words. Okay. For Tuesday?
For Tuesday, still same, but this is for the activity book. Like the big picture, and then later they should trace.
Trace.
Trace, and then later they should fill inside the box based on the picture. If they are hand like that, and
Yeah.
trace like that.
There's no story?
For
Tuesday.
Yes, for the student book we have.
What do you do with the story?
We mention for the story.
Mention.
Sorry, we read together for the story like chant. Let's chant like that. Relate with unit 3.
Unit 3. After they read the story, what else?
About the egg, the hen egg. Yes, the has and egg like that is read together, and later I will ask them one by one to read. But I make randomly, like I will word on the next word the word first, and then later they can read without the picture, right? Because I saw that
Is the word still related to the sound? Yes.
yes,
How many? How many words that you wrote on the board?
2 for like from the or wet or tan and that is. Or like I just make the big. What is this? How do you read this one? Randomly.
For Wednesday?
For Wednesday also to today. Today we have rainbow math about like it is like additional list. So later we explain to them how to add first like this. If I have 3 pencils and then after that I buy again 2 more. How many pencils?
Addition, yes.
Addition is.
Okay then. Little steps?
Little step 2 days on Monday we have CPQ, and for Tuesday we have special activity.
So what did you review?
For CPQ on Monday, it's like about our senses. Can you mention our senses? Okay, so what is the taste of orange juice? Orange juice is so and then look at this boy, look at the picture first, and then what is he doing now? He's smelling the flower like that. So if you want to smell the flower, the flower is bad smell or good smell like that.
How many senses?
Five, they are five.
Oh, you really review 5 of them?
Yes, miss.
And then with the examples?
Yes, miss. And then later I will ask for them again to the function of ears, the function of eyes, the function of our nose, like that. And then I will give it the example like, if you want to listen to music, so which one you can use from the part of your body, like that. Yeah, if I want to listen something, I can use my ears, like that. If I give it to you the candy, which one we can use for from your senses, like that. I can use my tongue to taste the food, like that.
Why don't you directly show, for example, the video and then ask them to see, ask them to listen. After that, you stop for a while and then you ask them, what did you use just now? Your eyes, your ears, like that.
Oh yeah.
That's right. That's better, right? So they can feel it for real, not just like the theory. So what do you use if you listen to music? Do you directly do it with them? I think
Yes.
that's right.
I just follow the question and then later they can memorize it because after that sorry, on Tuesday we have done our special activity, right, miss, and then we can give the explanation and
Yeah, you can
coordination
explain
that
also. I mean, before you explain, before you turn to explanation, maybe around 20 seconds, 20 seconds to ask them, or 30 seconds to see the video, or
yes,
if they have, if they have something. I mean, can be also the graduation practice, right? The singing.
yes,
Okay, let's sing, for example, and then maybe you show video. Okay, then you stop it. Okay, Miss want to ask now. So just now, what did you use? To hear this one, to listen this one. Okay, what else? You use your eyes, right? For example, like that, I think it's better. So for the next, if there is still a review about this one, I think you can do like that. That's right.
I should give the real action, yes.
Yeah, so they can feel it. They can experience. Oh yes, yeah, and then they can think. They can think. They try to remember. Oh yes, what I used just now. Yes.
Or like I give like this, I give the example like I give you the candy and put on the table, and then they can
Like your project, right?
yes.
Ah,
But before that, oh
yeah, it's better. Okay, and then for the special activity, what did you provide actually?
in here to provide this project to improve.
Did you use 5 of the senses while doing the project?
Yes, miss.
5 of them?
Yes, five. Yes.
What did you buy? I mean, what did you provide?
From the theory of the senses and then their character, I think.
What did you provide for the project? Snack or food or what?
Sorry. The materials, yes.
Yes.
Sorry. Okay, so for this, I give the food and then I put the
Like the chips?
chips and strawberry because I don't have candy or chocolate, so I just prepare the strawberry and chips so they can taste which one is salty and which one is sour. And then
Salty, not sweet?
No, I don't have for sweet.
You don't have for sweet.
Yes.
So salty for the
Chips.
chips,
Sour for the strawberry.
sour for the strawberry.
And then for the touch, I put tissue and
Tissue.
paper bottle.
Oh.
So they can divide which one is smooth, and then which one is hard.
Okay, just now you have said that you use touch, you use taste, and then what else?
Listen.
Listen, what did you provide?
I play the music, miss, so that they can answer it.
And then?
And then once it is for the vision, I ask them to take critics from on the table which one you can see.
One more?
And then one more, I use the perfume for smelling.
Oh,
So
okay.
that I ask them, this is the perfume is good smell or bad smell? Only perfume.
You spray on the air?
No, I ask them to.
Oh, just smell.
Yes. Smell the perfume.
So far, could they do that? Because you have done this, right?
Yes, yes.
Could they do that? Okay, rainbow science.
Rainbow science today.
This is about water. Yes, yeah. Oh, source of the water. Okay.
So I ask them to look at the book first and in front, and then I give the picture. There are waterfall, well, sea, and lake, and river.
How many?
There are
Waterfall,
like waterfall, well, yes, right. And then after that, a river,
river,
and then after that, sea and lake.
sea, oh, five, yeah. Sea and lake.
There's five. So
How did you explain this?
I like this way. So before the water come to you, like inside your bottle now. So for the first place you can find the water, you can go to the sea or the lake. Okay, the
Lake
you can
or
find
lake?
lake.
Lake or lake? For example, like to say, if you want to say Lake Toba atau Lake Toba?
Lake.
You say lake. Like this one.
Like this one.
So, lake. Not lake.
Cake like this.
But yeah, I show you.
Cake lake. Yes.
Lake, I think.
Lake.
Lake.
Lake. Lake. Okay. Lake.
Lake, yeah. And then, show the picture, showing the picture.
Yes, and then I give them the explanation. The first place like that.
First place.
You find the more water. So this water come from like waterfall, well, or river like that. But if you find the more water from the sea, you should filter first like that. That's why we should. There are so many factories to distribute the water like that, so the water can be like yes
Clean.
and fresh for us like this.
So how did you explain this one? The example of activities that use water.
Oh yes, like this. So at home, if you want to use what we can use for the water like that. So it's like from our activity like drinking, taking a bath, or washing dishes. Yes. If you want to
Not taking, yeah, taking a bath. You say just not taking.
Oh yes,
And then.
taking a bath. Like that. So we need more.
So far, what did they respond about your question?
For this question, I asked about this one, about the uses of water. So they know about the
What did
uses of water.
yeah? What did they answer?
Like, oh, I see. Yes, I like this. My mommy wash the clothes with water means like that.
Oke, this is ASP Bahasa. Ini ASP Bahasa tentang udara, air, dan api. Coba jelaskan, Miss.
Ya, jadi di sini hari ini, besok ya, Miss ya. Di sini sebelumnya itu tentang air, api, dan udara.
Ya.
Nah, jadi yang dibahas di sini itu Miss tentang ASP Bahasa. ASP Bahasa itu tentang kegunaan air.
Kegunaan air.
Kegunaan air untuk minum ini.
Kegunaan air, misalnya?
Misalnya kegunaan air itu untuk bisa mandi, bisa untuk mencuci piring atau mencuci pakaian, seperti itu, Miss.
Kegunaan api?
Kegunaan api kita bisa untuk membakar sampah, menerangi ruangan yang gelap, seperti kita membakar lilin. Di saat ruangan itu gelap, ya kita bisa membakar lilin itu. Jadi itulah manfaat api.
Kegunaan udara?
Kegunaan udara tidak ada, Miss, karena di halamannya itu, Miss, nanti cuma ada gambar lampu sama lilin.
Lampu sama lilin.
Sama air. Oh sorry, untuk ASP bahasa, sorry. ASP bahasa untuk besok itu untuk men-trace kegiatan anak perempuan yang sedang mencuci piring. Jadi pertanyaannya itu nanti tentang coba lihat apa saja yang kita butuhkan saat kita mencuci piring. Nah, kita ada apa saja? Ada sabun, ada spons, ada air. Jadi kita tidak lepas dari air.
Air.
Seperti itu, Miss.
Kenapa cuman dua ini? Kenapa hanya air dan api gitu? Padahal topiknya kan udara juga
Ya,
gitu.
karena Miss di page-nya kan kita menjelaskan yang page-nya, Miss, itu unitnya, temanya gitu, Miss. Jadi apa yang ada di gambar itu fokuskan ke gambar.
Jadi udaranya nanti kapan dijelaskan?
Mungkin yang di selanjutnya, Miss, ada.
Ada di selanjutnya. Karena kan tidak mungkin topiknya air, udara, dan api, sementara yang dijelaskan itu hanya dua, hanya air dan api gitu kan. Kenapa nggak judulnya air dan api gitu maksud saya, ya kan? Yang penting ini ada nanti ya, udara di pembahasan selanjutnya ya. Karena sekali 2 minggu sama ya. Untuk 2 minggu maksud saya sama topiknya ya. Minggu depan saya lihat lagi, semoga ada ya. Dan Miss pastikan memang ada pengertian udara ini.
Itu biasanya untuk udara sendiri, maksudnya lebih ke aktivitas manusia yang membutuhkan udara, kayak remu sains itu kayak kebalikannya, Miss. Mereka punya korelasi gitu, Miss.
Tapi kan sebelum ke situ kan Miss jelaskan dulu gitu, apa itu udara gitu. Kegunaan udara apa? Enggak begitu?
Enggak, Miss, soalnya kita kan fokusnya ke maksudnya halaman yang akan kita ajarkan, Miss. Makanya di situ pertanyaannya kan beda, apa yang kita gunakan. Memang gak lepas dari temanya, cuman setidaknya ada hubungannya dulu gitu, Miss.
Ada hubungannya. Iya, maksud saya ini kan untuk minggu depan misalnya, ya kan? Misalnya nih kita anggaplah udah minggu depan dan kalian akan membahas udara. Karena di minggu ini saya lihat memang nggak ada kan, hanya air dan api. Miss nggak memberikan bahasa pengantar atau misalnya mendefinisikan udara itu apa, seperti apa sih gitu. Apa sih kegunaan udara? Tidak.
Tapi kalau besok
Boleh diskusi dulu lah dengan yang lainnya. Untuk udara, menurut saya coba dijelaskan aja dulu gitu. Sebelum masuk ke apa namanya aktivitasnya ya kan. Apa tuh aktivitasnya nanti? Men-trace.
Iya, menebalkan huruf.
Menebalkan huruf.
Jadi dibaca.
Iya.
ASP bahasa dibaca.
Iya, maksud saya dikasihlah dulu sedikit penjelasan singkat tentang udara ini nanti. Karena air pun di sini pasti kalian jelaskan kan, kegunaan air apa, kegunaan api apa. Masa nanti ada pembahasan tentang udara kalian tidak jelaskan kegunaan udara. Itu maksud saya. Oke, untuk ASP bahasa tadi Miss katakan adalah tentang fungsi air dan juga sabun cuci air, spons gitu untuk mencuci piring gitu ya. Jadi untuk ASP Science itu apa yang dibahas, Miss?
ASP Science itu lebih ke seperti remu sains, Miss, dia. Dari mana air itu berasal?
Asalnya gitu, asal dari air ini, asal api gitu. Apa fokus air aja?
Fokus ke air, Miss.
Air, tapi di bahasa sudah dua, air dan api. Kenapa di sains dia cuma api, air? Kenapa, Mas?
Karena kita ke yang halaman itu, Miss, sesuai dengan halaman yang akan dikerjakan itu, Miss. Jadi ada gambar itu gitu, Miss. Jadi kita jelaskan dulu dari mana sumber air, mata air itu berasal, seperti itu.
Jadi kalian batasi air aja gitu ya. Okay, so for the practical life, what will you do?
For this week we have art and craft, Miss, to make the octopus. We should prepare for origami, and then fox. Yes, there is glue, and then after that tip and only three.
Why must be octopus? Why not other sea animals? Like shrimp maybe? No? Why?
We just follow based on the book mapping. So we have a divide for all project. So for this week we do the art and craft to make octopus. I think for the 2 weeks again we can do the other animals.
This one you don't choose. This one has been from book mapping. I mean,
Yes.
the topic octopus. You don't choose it by yourself.
Yeah, we have discussed about it
You have discussed with who?
with the teachers, the other teachers.
With Miss Natal.
Yeah, Miss Natal, Miss Fatir, and Miss Lina.
You don't have any idea why do you choose octopus?
And because if already, yes,
You didn't ask. Why must we choose octopus?
this is the simple, yes, the simple way to teach them how to make it the octopus is the origami.
So do you think it's simple because we need to cut the leg also become how many legs does the octopus have?
I think only 8 or 10 legs.
Huh. Don't you think it's more difficult?
No.
No?
So because we just cut this is the paper and then we can
What kind of paper will you use?
origami.
Origami. What color?
For all colors, you can use the only one color.
Many colors. So what will you do first? You fold?
Later I will give the sample first.
I mean you do it first, right?
Yes.
Before you ask the students to
And then
do.
show them.
So what will you do first?
For them, I will ask them to watch the video.
No, before
first.
that. Because later you will just ask them to stick the eyes maybe, right?
Oh yes.
Yes, I mean, how did you do this? How did you make this? What kind of shape will you make?
Right. Square first.
Mm-hmm.
And then later I will give it the line.
The line for the leg.
Yes. Like this means this is origami and then I will give the line in here. So
The
that
middle.
this is the limit for cut the legs like that. And then later, after that, if we have cut the legs, after that we can roll the octopus like that.
And then it's your part. So what is the student's part?
I think they just give it the glue and the ice.
Put the glue.
And the ice.
Put the glue to the ice.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Mm.
When I roll the octopus, they can give
The
it
paper.
glue, yes. Like that.
Only the eyes they will make.
And then draw the mouth can. Then write their name like that.
Write their name where? On the back, in front, up, down.
Back.
In the back.
Yeah.
Okay. Individually, yes. Individually. Together. So you just make one. Just make one octopus paper.
Yes.
Oh,
So
yeah.
that they can follow it. That's why we always make them. Yes.
I mean for making this octopus individually, right?
Yes,
The students.
but later, we still help them like this.
But you show it first how to do, right?
Yes, miss.
And then you guide them to do.
Yes, miss.
Alright. Okay. I think that's all for the evaluation for today, Miss. Yeah, I think you pass in this evaluation. Yes.